In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a GoDaddy website template. If you want to give your website a fresh new look without rebuilding everything from scratch, GoDaddy makes that process pretty simple. Changing the template or theme is a quick way to update the design of your site while keeping your existing content in place. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along with confidence. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where your website is stored. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area. This is where you can access account-related options and navigate to the products and services connected to your GoDaddy account. From there, click on My Products. This section shows all the websites, domains, and other services associated with your account. Take a moment to find the specific website you want to update. If you manage more than one site, it's a good idea to double-check that you're selecting the correct one before making any design changes. Once you've found the right website, select it and click Edit Website. This will open your website editor, where you can make visual and content updates. After the editor loads, look for the Theme option. This is the area that controls the overall appearance of your website, including the style, layout, fonts, and general visual feel. Click Theme, and then choose the option that lets you try a new look. This is where you can preview different design styles for your site. As you browse through the available options, pay attention to how each theme presents your content. Some templates may feel more modern, minimal, bold, or professional, depending on the style you want for your brand or project. Take your time here and select the one you prefer. A helpful tip is to think about readability, image placement, and how easy the site will be to navigate for visitors. Even if several themes look nice, the best choice is usually the one that supports your content clearly and feels consistent with your website's purpose. Once you're happy with your selection, click Publish. This makes your new website look live and visible to your visitors. Before finishing, it's always smart to quickly review the updated site to make sure everything looks the way you want across the main pages. And that's how to change a GoDaddy website template. Once you've done it one time, it becomes a very easy way to refresh your site whenever you want.